All right, what's up guys? Let me just show you quick information on how you can set up your bot. Right now, even the bot right now is making money on spot. It's also making money on features, all right? But if you have a lot of capital, you can also go for spot trading, all right? Let's say you have $200, $100. You can use this particular bot. Can you see right now? I can even close this bot right now to at profit, close now. I can close it manually if I like. I'm still running some bot on features, which is okay. So right now, let me just share real quick information on how you can set up the bot, either for as a beginner, you just want to start making money with UTrading. All right, you're gonna come to this particular market area. For automatic, it's just a beginner friendly. All right, let's say I recommend you guys to go for a coin that are very volatile coin, like like a link, Avas, this coin, BNB. All right, it normally pumps, and SRP. All right, let me just choose a random coin right now. I want to go for, let's say, spot trading, and I want to just use an automatic one. I'm going to show you both futures and spot. I'm gonna try to select any coin of your choice. Then let's say you want to go for spot trading. For using this one is an AI bot, all right, that's normally make you money all right, in spot. You're gonna click on it. You can select like 10 pieces of coin. You can select this one, doggy coin, all right, let's say ton coin, like up to it. But you can even start with just 3 coin because of your account sizes. But I can, me personally, I can up to like 10 coin at the same time. Gonna confirm. Let's say you have just use 10% of your funds to put into the system. This is my 10%. You can use it in 10%. Can you see I'm using 10% of that fund right now? I'm using about, can you see I'm using about 10%. Can you see I'm using just 10%, which is of this fund. I can easily just click on launch instantly. I'm using 10% of my capital. Launch is that simple. Then you launch it. Then the bot will start. You can see your result of the bot on spot. You can see the bot is waiting for signal. Can you see? It's waiting. This is simple, and the bot will close itself automatically. This one is very simple for beginner friendly. You don't need to stress yourself. All right. So let me just go for, if you want to go for features, but this one is very beginner friendly, and even this one is starts running right now. I use just 10% of my capital to. So let's go back to let's say you want to go for, it's very simple, friendly. You can just come to market again. Then this one is very easy. It will, but always do it like twice in the day, like that. When you wake up in the morning around, let's say 6 o'clock in your country, like let's say 6 o'clock in the Nigerian time, you do this, you do it by 12 again. When they both close a trade, you do it again, like twice in a day. You are good to go, like twice in a day. By 6 o'clock Nigerian time, you do it. By 1 o'clock again, when they both close in the morning, when they both trade from morning around it, when they both trade from 6 o'clock to like 12 o'clock at times, then it is close itself automatically. Then you start again by 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and you have done for the day. Then you wait for another day. So just one shot is okay for you as a beginner. Then if you want to go for futures, let's say I want to go for futures, you can, let's say I want to go for this, let me just look. You can even trade Bitcoin if you like, or it depend on you. Then I want to go for futures. I want to use this one, AI DCA. This one is for spot. This one is for spot trading. All right, spot, like this spot. Why this one is futures? All right, so let me just, this one is for futures. This one, all right, let me just go click on it. I'll just click on it right like this. I can select Bitcoin or any altcoin that can, all right, any coin or SRP, wherever. So let's say I want to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum. I can go for Ethereum. I can also go for let's say I can go for Avas coin. Avas, let me just search for it. You can search. All right, this is Avas coin. I like it. Then I can also go for this one called link coin. Let me just search for it. Link this coin. Let's want to just go for let's say 3 coin is okay for me. Confirm. All right, you can even put it on auto edge. You can open 2H for you, 2H for you, all right, at the same time. Then for beginner, like you can use just 10%. 10x leverage is okay. 10x leverage you can for beginner, so that you will not expose your account to 10% for just to just manage your risks. All right, okay. Then this is your account. You can use, let's say, 10% of your account. All right. You can put either director, or even just put it on this one. All right. This one is a indicator edge. It can buy and sell for you at the same time. So let me just use, let's say, 10%. You can drag this thing. I think you can see it. I just want, let's say, 10% of my fund. Can you say, yes, I use $300. Just 10% of my funds. I use it. All right. I'll now click on launch. It's that simple. Yes, 10%. Then you see the boat has already been started right now. Then I have some running trade. Let me just click on futures trade. Right, this is the current one. All right, so these are the current I just do right now. Avars, it's also automatically the boat will close itself. Also, you can see we have waiting, running. So automatically the boat will close itself. All right, it's that simple. It's that simple. It's that simple. So this is how I normally do it. You can just use 10% of your funds to start doing it. When you are experiencing floating loss, just wait. Don't overtrade. Your 10% is okay. 10% is okay. All right. All right. So that's why, so that you not expose your account to to the market. It's that simple. So just follow this step by step. Or you can also try this one as well. You come to market again. You try to come to, let's say, BTC. All right. Then you click on this futures. I'm talking about futures. You can use anyone. Let's say I want to trade Bitcoin, and I want to trade another coin like Ton. Okay, let's trade coin. All right. Then I want to use this particular. You can also use this one, which is indicator directions. All right. So you tried it too, but first try this one first. All right. They both normally trade. Then I will just use just the 10%, so that I will not expose my something to trade. 10%. Leverage is okay. I'm just using risk management, so that it depends. Then I can just use, let's say, 10%. Okay, how much I have right now? Let's see, I can use, let's say, 10%. All right, I'm using 10%, which is $200. It's okay. All right, 10%. All right, launch. It's that simple. Just don't over. I'm just, this one, you got, my account is bigger than your own, so based on your account size, use like 2 to 3 coins. Okay, either $500, $200. Then use 10x leverage. Then don't sell more than 2 coin or 1 coin is okay for you. Then you start making your money. All right, so this video will help you guys to start making your money, growing your account small a little bit. So thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you just subscribe to this YouTube channel and be liking all the video I'm dropping. This particular YouTube channel is for forex trading, crypto trading, and start making money online in general. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you turn on notification to be getting more update like this on crypto, on forex. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys. See you guys. And today so far you can see the result is okay, which is about, on spot I make about 30 something dollars. All right, and it's okay for me. So guys, let's grow together, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.